Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed on the decorator pattern. So today we'll be discussing on the adapter pattern, right? So let's get into the definition part here. The adapter pattern allows incompatible interfaces to work together by converting one interface into another expected by the client. Just remember this one, right? So the adapter pattern allows incompatible interfaces to work together by converting one interface to another expected by the client, right? So this pattern is extremely useful when integrating legacy code or external libraries with different method names or formats. So let's see the same thing in the form of example, right? So let's get into the example part. So I'll just go with a very simple example, man. Basically, I'll not lie, decorator pattern and the adapter pattern, also this one singleton pattern, these three are very simple, and this one very easy just to understand, right? So I'll just go with class. So let me go with English, mm, English speaker, right? So this is fine. Within this class, I'll just go with the method or the function speak English, right? Speak English here. So let me pass self here, self, this is fine. So let's return something for the interactiveness. I'll just go with a hello. So this is fine. Let me go with one more class here. This one is class adapter, right? So I'll just give here adapter, right? So this is fine. So within the adapter class, I'll just go with def. So let me go with the initialization part, right? So this is fine. Let me delete this one self comma object, right? So this is fine. Self uh, object. So this is fine. Object. This is fine. Let me do one thing. Let me go with one more method here. Def. So I'll just go with the speak here. Speak. Let me pass self here as usual. So let's return here self dot object dot we have went with the speak English method, right? So let me call here speak English. This is fine. So let's test. So this is it for the code. Let's test the same here. So I'll just go with eng here. So I'll just call the English speaker class here. This is fine. So I'll just go with adapter. So not adapter basically. Let's go with some variable name. I'll just go with adopted here. Adopted. So this one will be adapter. So here I'm calling the adapter class. So let me pass eng here, right? So this is fine, man. Now let's print something for the interactiveness here. This one will be adapted. But let me call the speak method, man. So here basically exactly we went similar to the definition, right? So what it does here, adapter pattern allows incompatible interfaces to work together by converting one interface into another, right? That is expected by the client. So if I run this one, I need to get the output hello. I need to get the output hello. So basically what we are doing here, adapter pattern. So this adapter is there, right? Class adapter, whatever I have written here. This converts the speak English method, this one speak English method to speak this method for the compatibility, right? So exactly accordingly with that definition we went for this, right? So again, adapter converts speak English to speak for compatibility. So if I run this one, I have to get the output hello. Let's see the same here. Python, just right click, rename. So let me copy this one, paste dot py. So we are getting the output hello, which is absolutely correct, right? So we are done with the adapter pattern. So let me summarize whatever we have learned so far. So adapter bridges mismatched interfaces, allowing smooth integration without altering existing classes. So this is what the adapter pattern does, right? So now we are done with the adapter pattern. Next, what we'll do, we will uh, let's do one thing. Let's discuss a command design pattern next, right? So for now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.